Hi, welcome back to the Moose Shop. I want to show you a simple way to make these stands that have multiple uses, from your iPhone to tablets to books to art. So what I first did was I grabbed some walnut and cut it to some rough dimensions. For our first cut, we're going to use a dado stack, the 9/16 angled at 30 degrees. And what we're going to do is we're going to leave it below surface so that it leaves a little shoulder there, about an 1/8 inch shoulder on the front of your stand. For your second step, you're going to have to get a little more precise with your cuts. The setup is the same, 9/16 and 30 degrees, but you have to play with the height of the blade and the fence so that your uprights sit nice and tight in there and up against that back wall of the front step. You'll get it, just keep on testing it. Now take a nice sharp chisel and clean up the remains from the dado blade. So now that you got them all nice and clean, we're going to take all of them and make them the same dimensions on all sides. So then when we put them together, everything lines up real nice. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the uprights and put a 3/8 round over on the back side of them. That way there they got a nice little rounded finish to them. We're going to hand sand all the rest of the edges. Smooth them out nice and round so they're nice and soft to the touch. All except for where the two parts meet. So now that we got them all sanded, I think it's a good time to burn the logo in. Alright, so now it's time for glue up. And since this would be kind of an awkward thing to clamp, I think it's a great opportunity to use the old wood glue and CA glue trick. So put some wood glue on, but leave a few little spots for the CA glue. And what we'll do is we'll put a couple drops of CA glue in the bare wood there, and then on the opposite side we'll use the activator. And then we'll hold it down for 30 seconds with some good pressure on there. And then it should hold. And then what we'll do after that is we'll let them sit about an hour so that the wood glue will cure and make them really nice and strong. Now that the glue is cured and I cleaned up all the excess glue and did some touch-up sanding, we're going to put some walnut oil on this walnut. I like the walnut oil. It's an easy to put on and it really makes it look like a natural finish. So as we're finishing them up here, I want to take this opportunity to say that you can make these different dimensions for whatever you want to put into a stand. But you could use the same idea with the two steps and the upright like that. And yeah, I think they work out good. They're actually easy to do once you get your setup, and they're good for your iPhone, your stickers, your art, whatever. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.